Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Okay, y'all, so this was winter. This was fall through winter 2021. This was the bathroom decor. I decided to take it down a little early. It was when did I take it down? I had to take it down in January, probably January 11th, because red associates itself with blood. We had a very scary episode, so I had to take it down 2 days after the episode because my son stayed in the hospital for almost a week after this episode. So I had to immediately take Red down. So this is why I had to take it down early. I had put it up probably in November, took it down January 11th. Y'all, it was scary. Have an episode like this happen. So it was beautiful. I didn't get a chance to really clean the bathroom up because my son was in there on the toilet when this episode happened. So I was scared out of my wits. So I just didn't feel the heart to even open this bathroom. We had 2 bathrooms, so I just had it closed. Then